If you're feeling stuck on what to post this month for your Etsy shop, and if you're tired of winging it and you want a plan that actually moves the needle, this video is your content reset. And make sure to stick around until the end because I am dropping a juicy AI tip that will help you make this month's content outperform last month using data you already have. If you're new here, my name is Nancy Badillo, and I help Etsy sellers turn their content into actual conversions without spending hours creating it. So here's what they don't teach in most content calendar videos. Posting with intention beats posting with perfection. Now, this 4-step reset is going to help you plan, post, and grow without the guesswork. Plus, I will give you practical tips that you could swipe today. So if you're not sure what your content pillars should be, just drop your Etsy niche and the products that you sell in the comments, and I personally will reply with ideas that make sense for your shop. I am here to help, and I'm here to simplify the process of creating content for your Etsy business. And if you are done throwing content at the wall, hoping it sticks, I actually teach this whole system inside the Brand Build Bank Society membership. It is built for makers who want results with strategy. So come and brand for the link. Step number 1, we're going to be doing a monthly content audit. And this is your reset ritual. Before planning forward, you need to look back at what actually happened. And you need to ask yourself the following questions. It's a simple yes or no. Did you post consistently at least 3 times a week? Because consistency builds trust and it tells the algorithm you are serious. So if you disappear for a while, that's okay. Just start fresh from here on. Did your content connect or just promote? People don't want a sales pitch. They want a reason to care. So ask yourself, did I share why this matters to them? The next question is, were your captions giving value or just selling? You want to make sure that you're teaching, inspiring, entertaining, or relatable. Sales happen after value is established. The next question, did you show up on video? Whether that's your face, your hands, or workspace. Visibility builds credibility. Even a 5-second clip of you packaging an order can create connection. The next question, did you use stories with intentions? Stories are where relationships are built and where you're starting conversations or just shouting promos. Now, the pro tip here is to save this checklist in your phone and run it monthly because clarity isn't optional, is your secret weapon for growth. And you could use this checklist on any platform, on Instagram, on Pinterest, on Facebook, on YouTube, whatever platform you're currently using to promote your Etsy business. Step number 2 is analytics that actually matter. And this is where things get juicy, but first, we want to grab the basics. What got shared, saved, or replied to? These are signals of real engagement. Shares equals reach, saves equals value, and replies equals connections. You want to prioritize what sparked action. Which story had link clicks or DMs? This tells you what made people stop scrolling and interact. Was it a poll? Was it a tip? Was it a behind the scenes moment? Do more of that. What product got the most traffic from Instagram or Pinterest or the platform that you're using? That is your current star product. It's not just popular, it's marketable. So you could use it to anchor future content and promotions. Now, here's a pro tip. You want to use each successful idea in 3 formats to maximize impact. So I'm gonna give you an example. Let's say that your top performing post was about your best selling candle scent. So here's how to repurpose it across 3 formats. You could do a Reels for reach, and you could show a time lapse of you with the candle, and it could have a text overlay saying the number 1 scent that keeps selling out, and here's why. Then I recommend creating a carousel for saves, and you want to break it down with different slides. Maybe the first slide says what makes our scent name candle different. Maybe the additional slides, you're going to talk about the ingredients, the burn time, actual reviews, how to style it in your home. And then what you want to do is do a story for conversation. You want to ask, have you tried this scent yet? With a poll, and you want to share a customer review and invite them to reply for a discount code. So same message, different format equals less burnout and more visibility. Now, here's an advanced move you should do monthly if you want your content to outperform itself. So let's say that your main platform is Instagram. What you're going to do is you're going to go to your professional dashboard. You're going to go to content you have shared. You're going to filter by reels, and then you're going to sort by the most views and the ones that got you the most followers. You're going to select your top 6 to 9 reels, and you're going to copy their links. Then you're going to head to the website called Video.io to extract the transcripts. Then you're going to drop those transcripts into an AI tool. You could use ChatGPT or whatever you currently use. And you're going to use this exact prompt. I have uploaded 6 to 9 of my top performing videos, the ones that have brought in the most views and followers so far. My goal moving forward is simple. I want every piece of content I publish to outperform the last and directly support the growth of my business. Can you break these down and systemize what's working? I love to know the patterns, the key elements, and what I should double down on. Help me reverse engineer the success so I can create content that resonates with my insert audience and the insert niche space. Now, this will give you data-backed content strategy, not guesswork, and it's going to take you less than 30 minutes. Now, if you would like me to send you the actual prompt, comment prompt below, and I will have a link where you could go ahead and click on to download it. Step number 3 is set content pillars. Now, these are your content lanes, and they simplify everything. So you want to try these, like behind the brand, so like packaging, workspace, daily life. You could do product education, so like demos, how-to, care tips. You could do lifestyle tips like cozy setups, pet humor, real life use. You should also include customer proof, so like reviews, use UGC or transformation. And you should also be including shop talk, which is your story, values, and inspiration. Now, the pro tip here is that once you choose your 3 to 4 pillars, you want to create a simple rotating schedule. So each week you spotlight one pillar more heavily, and this keeps your content balanced. It avoids burnout and it builds stronger brand recognition over time. Step number 4, 7-day plug and play plan. So if you don't know what to post and you're still a little bit confused, I want to give you like a schedule to help you out. So Monday, you would do more like a behind the scene packaging. This could be a reels. On Tuesday, you could do product carousel where you share 3 top benefits of your product. On Wednesday, you could answer a frequently asked questions in your story. On Thursdays, you could do like a review or UGC with a call to comment. On Friday, you could do like a time lapse of you creating products. On Saturday, you could do something fun, like a lifestyle type of reel. And then on Sunday, you could do a soft promo with vibe and value. Now, the pro tip here is batch with intention, not just efficiency. In a single hour, if you block that time, you could aim to create 2 reels, focus on product storytelling. You could prep 2 carousels for education or customer focus. And you could actually outline 3 story ideas for connection and visibility. Now, batching this way gives you content that converts, not just content that fills space. Now, an extra tip I have for you is to repost high performing content from 60 days ago. Just add a new hook. Most of your audience never saw it the first time. Even if your content's not perfect, done beats perfect. So show up, share value, connect, and that's how your brand will grow. If you are still feeling stuck, go ahead and drop your niche in the comments, and I will create your content pillars, and I will create a 7-day schedule that actually fits your shop. I am here to help and make this whole process way simpler for you. And if you want this structure like weekly plus community and strategy, come and brand for the link to my membership. Now, if you want to take this strategy even further, watch this next video where I show you how to create 1 month of Pinterest content in 1 minute. I'll see you there.